Myntri ka Tnat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba AL Hek hinni gaski ula Pynpaw ya Jingsngewkhia Halor ka Jingkiew ki kam Shalan to iki Masi shari Bangladesh lingba ka jala Meghalaya. Haba kren kilat patai kubor iba Hek ila pentip baki nong tray na ka Tnat Veterinary kidang yai beteng ban tray bat ki pulit ka jala bat ki shipai BSF ban yale persya bat kini ka Jingkiew. Ula ongru baka Tnat kala sumar iki Masi ki bala yok kurup hadu kapor bande lilampat yaki.
It is very, I'm telling you, very sometime we are getting this kind of information. We are not getting the information. But if there is information, then the veterinary department, they will inform me. They will inform the director, they will inform the secretary veterinary, so they will inform, then we will take the necessary step. They have to treat them. Too many things are there. So they have to take care to the cattle. They cannot just leave it like that only. And also the BSF don't keep the cattle. The cattle is kept by the veterinary department under the whatever district it has got.